In this video, I will show you how to download RemoteConnect. First, open any browser that you have and go to google.com. And search for RemoteConnect for SCADAPack. You will see the first link is for downloading the latest version of RemoteConnect. At the time of making this video, the latest version is R3.3.3. Click on the link and download. Once you click on download, it will ask you to choose for business or for home. If you are using personal purpose, just choose for home. Continue. It will ask you to log in. So if you don't have login details, you can register it now. Once you have login details, you can just put it in here and click login. The download will start automatically. Once it is downloaded, go to your download folder. You will see a zip file. You need to extract this file. Right click on the zip file and select extract all. You can choose any folder where you want to extract it. After selecting the folder, click next. The extraction will start. Once extraction is completed, open the folder. You will see the setup file to install RemoteConnect. Double click on the setup file. You will see multiple options. We want to choose install RemoteConnect. You will notice a red warning at the bottom. This warning is stopping the installation because I have an older version of Control Expert installed. For this version of RemoteConnect, you must have Control Expert 15.2 or newer version installed. Download newer version of Control Expert using the link in red. So once you finish download, so you can see Control Expert version 16.2. To open it, just double click on it. Click open. Once you open, you can see setup file third from the bottom. So double click on it. It will start installation. So you can just click next until you say finished. Now let's run the installer for RemoteConnect again. Click on install RemoteConnect. You can see there is no red warning at the bottom this time. So we are good to continue. Now click install RemoteConnect. You can see the installation is starting. This installation goes from step 1 to step 7. So make sure you complete all the steps. Do not get confused if a finish button appears after each step. That is normal. Click finish after each step and the installer will automatically move to the next step. Once you reach step 7 and press finish, the installation is fully complete. Click exit to close the installer. You can see installation is complete. Now let's open RemoteConnect. When you open RemoteConnect for the first time, it will automatically update its catalogs. So this is normal. Just wait for the catalog update to finish. Now you can see the first look of RemoteConnect. And that's it. This is how you can install RemoteConnect successfully. If you like this video and if you want more videos about RemoteConnect, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.